trying to get, maybe he has a little saw on there or something. Or he's trying to break the branch.
I think he tied the other side. So it eases down.
Yeah. I don't know either. I'm a little nervous. It's a dead tree, so they don't want to climb it because it's dead. So it's like easily can break.
I think it's dead because I already spotted it. That tree right there's probably alive.
So he's tying the thing up tighter now. He got the rope on there tighter.